In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money by doing practically nothing. But before I dive into that, if you could use extra money in your banking account, go ahead and obliterate that like button. And also, if you're looking for ways that you can save, make money, and you're interested in all things related to your finances, go ahead and click that red subscribe button until it turns gray, and that way you don't miss anything. So the first way that I want to share with you in this video that you can make money by practically doing nothing, and it's by this app called On My Way. On My Way pays users to stay off their phone every time they drive because it is not safe to be on your phone whenever you're driving. So essentially this app, they're promoting not texting and driving. So once you enter your phone number on the On My Way website, you will receive a link to download the app. You'll also receive $10 for becoming a user, and you will earn 5 cents for every mile that you don't text and drive. And if you refer a friend, you will also lock in $2 more plus 2 cents for every mile that that friend do not text and drive. Another way that you can make money by practically doing nothing is by sleeping. Millions of people across the US every night toss and turn. That's why numerous hospitals have dedicated entire divisions to sleep study, and they're willing to pay thousands of dollars just to watch you sleep. To find out studies that's near you, I'm going to leave a link in the description box below. You can sell your body parts to make money. And yes, I am talking about in a legal way. You can sell your hair and get paid. There are sites that will provide users with a platform for selling hair, and you will also make a decent income by doing so. Not only hair, but you can also consider selling eggs and sperm as well. And let's not forget that you can sell your blood and plasma too. If you're not worried about people looking at your browse history, you can consider an app like Honeygrain. Honeygrain is an app that monitors your web usage data and it reports it back to companies. You can download the app on Android, Windows, Mac OS devices, and according to its website, you can earn up to $19 a month if you download the app on 3 different devices. That's almost $230 a year for not doing anything except for allowing the app to access your browsing history. And also you can use the Dash app to earn cash back for both in-store and online purchases that you make with a linked credit or debit card at participating stores. Once you download the app, you'll add your credit card or your debit card, and anytime you make a purchase with that card at participating stores, you will automatically receive cash back. While most stores will pay you about 2 to 3%, you do have stores out there that will pay up to 10% in cashback rewards. And I really like Dash because there's no scanning receipts or nothing that I have to remember. It's almost really like a set it and forget it with your card. And you can find the link on how to sign up for Dash and receive a bonus for signing up in the description box below. And for more ways to make money and all things related to your finances, check out the videos right over there. Subscribe by clicking the icon right here, and that way you don't miss anything. And I will see you in the next video.